All right, I'm back, and I've got the black plastic piece off. What I forgot to mention actually is that you're actually going to need to loosen up, or actually remove, these black 8mm as well that hold the motor kind of back panel on, and then you push it in because it's got a little retainer clip right here. So you just push this forward, and it goes pops in. But this way we don't have to remove any of our motor or anything and mess up any of our window alignment or that kind of stuff. So then you kind of drop this panel down, and on the back you'll see all of these white clips, and you just kind of squeeze and push them through. Once you squeeze and push them through, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. You can feed all the wires and everything back through here, so then you end up with this big mess of wires. But now this frees up this panel, so you can go do some sound deadening on it, and then we can get inside this door a lot easier to finish up all of our sound deadening. Now, as you can see, like I said before, I've already done a little bit in here. I did some Dynamat previously, so I'm actually just going to layer up. I'm just going to go ahead and install the RoadStage over this rather than taking this off, just kind of to double down. It's not going to hurt anything. It'll actually just probably give me a little bit better performance. But Dynamat and RoadStage are actually very similar performing products. RoadStage having the extra foam layer, but this took actually quite a long time because I had to sit here and cut all these individual contours and pieces. So it's going to be a lot easier to install this now. So I'm going to go ahead and install it and come back to you and show you what it looks like.